So let's start with my hardware setup. So this is 9-volt battery that we connected to this water pump through this MOSFET board. I put the water pump inside the water container, and here is the tube that allows us to water the potted plants. Then we connected our sensor to the A0, and yeah, we connected our Grow Beginner kit to my laptop so that we can use MATLAB. You can see it starts splattering because like soil is dry, because we basically hold it in the dry air. Here. But now when we put it into the, you see, wet soil, pump is off because the soil is wet. That's why soil is wet enough, pump is off. Here is the graph. As you can see, it's around 2 volts and lower because the sensor is in the dry air. And now let's see how it's gonna change when I put this in the wet soil. So I put it right here, and as you can see, the values in the graph start increasing. So it's around like 3 volts now because it's in the wet soil.
Firstly, this project provided me with a solid first exposure to procedural programming. Writing the MATLAB code that interacts with hardware components like the soil moisture sensor and water pump gave me practical experience in using basic constructs such as variables, control structures, and loops. In addition, I developed several important soft computing skills throughout the project. I had to reason about the algorithm for determining when to water the plant, how to handle sensor data, and how to structure the program to respond to changing conditions in real time. Furthermore, this project demonstrated how computers are used in engineering disciplines. I applied the principles we learned in class to solve a real-world problem in mechatronics.